To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. What am I? I have 4 legs. I have a tail. I have whiskers. I am cute. Cat. I am an animal. I live in the sea. I can swim. I have 8 arms. Octopus. I am an octopus. I am big and round. I am hot. I am in the sky. You can't see me at night. Sun. I am the sun. I am tall. I have a long neck. I have 4 legs. Giraffe. I am a giraffe. I work in a classroom. I help people learn. I have many students. Teacher. I am a teacher. I have 2 arms and 2 legs. I have a tail. I like to eat bananas. I swing from trees. Monkey. I am a monkey. I have 4 legs. I can't walk. You can sit on me. Chair. I am a chair. I am an animal. I have a tail. I can bark. I can run after a ball. Dog. I am a dog. I am cold. I am delicious and sweet. You can eat me. I come on a cone. Ice cream. I am an ice cream. I work in a hospital. I help sick people. I am not a doctor. Nurse. I am a nurse. I have thick grey skin. I have big ears. I have a long trunk. Elephant. I am an elephant. I am a fruit. I am yellow. I am long. I taste sweet. Banana. I am a banana. I am a bird. I can swim. I can't fly. I am black and white. Penguin. I am a penguin. I am tall. I have rocks on me. People climb me. Mountain. I am a mountain. I live in the desert. I have a hump. People ride on me. Camel. I am a camel.